Hello YouTube, this is Alex Yang at Mazda of Orange. I hope you're all doing well and having a fantastic day. Today I'd like to present the 2022 Mazda CX-30 2.5 Turbo all-wheel drive. This one's finished in machine gray metallic with a black leather interior. I'm going to go ahead and show you the ins and outs of the vehicle, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So right off the bat, the 2.5 Turbo features these gorgeous black alloy rims, and these ones measure in 18 inches. It really gives it a sporty look. With the front end on the CX-30, you get the turn signals, which are on the bottom right there, and they're all LED. The front headlights are all LED, and then you see this really nice chrome ring around it. It really gives it a elegant as well as aggressive look. The front emblem right here is a radar, so this car does have radar cruise control as well as pedestrian warning. This car will pace itself for the car in front as well as come to a complete stop. So the CX-30 is very safe. You get these black mirror caps here, which give it a very sporty look. And then on the back right here, you do get full LED tail lights as well as an LED turn signal. So just to give you an example, you can kind of see it. They don't flicker like that, it's just the camera is causing that. So then here's a trunk, nicely sized trunk. Back seats do fold down, and then when you open this, you have your spare. And then right here you do have a area where you can put a shelf for the Mazda accessory. This car does have keyless entry. So the CX-30s have leather going around here as well as here. You do have full electric seats as well as your lumbar support. And you have these gorgeous black leather seats with the white contrast stitching that runs all right here as well as down here, and in the center armrest as well as that trim right there. So what's cool about the center screen is it's actually all digital. And then to change it, you just press this little info button here, and you can actually set to what you want to display. So what's cool about this screen is you can actually have your radar cruise control set to this little screen right here. So if you do that, you can see the little lines right there. So that's showing you just when the car will pre-brake and also maintain its distance for the car in front. And then what's also a cool thing about this display is when there's a car in your blind spot, let's say here, you actually have a little arrow pointing at that direction. So you never have to really look away from the road, so it's very nice. Right here you do have your memory settings for the driver's seat. So you have 1, 2, and set, very easy to use. And then right here you have your off-road button, so if you are going, let's say, to the desert or on just uneven pavement, you just press that and the all-wheel drive system will set accordingly. You have your infotainment screen there, which is all controlled by this little area here, which is very easy to use. You do have your hard buttons, so you have your music, your navigation, your back button, and your home button, as well as your volume button. And then you have your favorites button here too. Your auto hold button is really cool. Let's say if you're at a drive-through and you don't want to hold the brake pedal, just press this and it'll actually hold for you. Once you give it a little bit of gas, the car will creep, and then once you brake, it'll engage again. You have your traditional automatic over for manual settings, as well as your sport mode. And then when you put it in reverse, you have a nice backup camera, which is in HD. You do have your heated seats that are 3-way, as well as dual climate controls. This car also does have your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. And in your glove box, you have your 2 USBs down there. Up here you have your sunglass holders and a nice sized moonroof. And then you also have this little area here for your sun visor, very nice. So this car does come with blind spot monitoring, which is standard, your lane keep assist, as well as mentioned your radar cruise control, which comes to a complete stop. And then when you're reversing, it'll actually let you know when there's a car coming on either side. It's very cool, very safe. It's also known as cross traffic alert. Let's pop the hood. So this one being the turbo, this one's pushing 227 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, and that's on 87 octane. So you can put 87, 89, or 91 octane on this engine. And this car gets about 22 city, 30 highway, and about 25 combined. Here's the gas cap. And then again, you get that leather right here. The seats are very comfortable. They're firm yet squishy at the same time. And you also have your child anchors. You have your rear AC vents in the back for your passengers, as well as like a little storage pocket. And then you have your 2 cup holders, as well as a middle row right here. Then, sorry about the glare. It's a really sunny day here in Southern California, but there's that. And well, the MVGs. And there's the safety ratings. So if you have any questions on the Mazda CX-30 or any vehicle on our current inventory, please let me know. I'm here to assist you. My contact information will be listed down below. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, take care.